Hey friends, if you wish to fix audio and video play and pause automatically on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the Bluetooth switch, and I'll tell you the best way to do that. Simply disconnect all Bluetooth devices or just turn off the Bluetooth switch from this one. Now, why do I suggest this? Because this way you will be able to isolate whether the issue is with your Bluetooth device switch, which is turning it on and off, or is it with something else. The next one is to check the internet connection, because if the internet connection is slow, then while running an online audio or video, it may play and pause. So to check the internet connection, we can simply go to fast.com and hit enter and check the internet connection speed. The last solution is to update audio drivers. And how will we do that? So search for device manager in the Windows search bar, open device manager, expand the list of audio inputs and outputs, and then right click and update each of these drivers separately. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.